Basically, we don't know what happened yet. We're thinking that it was a axle or tire failure, but all the front end damage is just really in the front end. Nothing from the fender's back got scratched or nicked. So the engine was running when I did come to a complete stop on the track. So we believe that the engine is fine, and just going to try to rebuild it for the 2019 race season, and hopefully be at Street Car Takeover Charlotte this summer. And also I'd like to thank all the guys over at National Speed for all their help and support for the past couple of days. I'm not an employee at all. I can show y'all all the invoices for all the work that I've had done there. So I'd just really like to thank them and thank them for their support and their help through the past couple of days. Because we're gonna, like I said, rebuild, and we'll be back bigger, better than ever. So thanks, guys.